Hand in, unraveling the phrase. Hello learners! Today, we're going to delve deep into a common English phrase, hand in. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. So, let's dive right in. To start off, let's look at the words hand and in. Separately, hand refers to the part of the human body at the end of the arm, while in can be used to indicate location or movement into something. But when we combine them, their meaning takes on a different twist. The phrase, hand in, is often used in contexts like education or work. Here are some examples. 1. Submitting work. I need to hand in my assignment by tomorrow. In this context, it means to give or submit work to someone, usually a superior or teacher. 2. Being involved or having a role in something. She had a hand in designing that logo. Here, it means to have been a part of a particular action or creation. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at a few more sentences. 1. Remember to hand in your forms by Friday. 2. Did you hand in your application yet? 3. He had no hand in the matter, so it's unfair to blame him. These examples showcase the versatility of the phrase in various contexts. Now, while the phrase is commonly used, it's not uncommon to see some mistakes associated with it. 1. Wrong preposition. Hand on or hand at. Remember, for submission or involvement, it's always hand in. 2. Overgeneralizing. Not every action with hands is hand in. For instance, hand over means to give something to someone, while hand out means to distribute something. And there we have it. The phrase, hand in, is a nifty one to keep in your English toolkit. Whether you're talking about submitting an assignment or being involved in a project, this phrase has got you covered. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.